Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Virtual Giant. Today we are going to learn a very simple and straight to the point task. This tutorial wouldn't take much of your time, so you just have to pay attention, watch the video to the end so you get to understand what we're about to do. Today we are just going to learn how to screen record using your iPhone. It could be iPhone 7, could be iPhone 6, could be iPhone whatever. Yes, so that is what you're going to learn today, how to do screen recording using your iPhone, either the one with sound or without sound. Stay tuned. First, swipe from bottom up, see the white icon with the red blinking. That shows that it is recording. Because I am using it to record, that is why it's showing this way, but yours wouldn't. So in case you do not see that icon beneath, just go to settings. Okay, go to settings, tap on it, and it will take you here. Search for control center, tap on control center, and a list of icons or a list of apps would show. You see screen recording, the last bit. Yes, it is because I sent it there, but in case you do not find yours there, do not worry, just scroll down. You'd see it amongst these icons here. Beside it is the green plus sign. Just tap on it and it will send it to where my screen recording is initially. Yes, this one. Let's cite an example. You see I have used accessibility shortcuts. Okay, just tap on the plus or the green plus sign and it will send it there. When it does, it means that it has been sent to the home key. When you swipe up wherever you saw the record button, yes, you see these are the two icons displaying there. So the red icon or the red bar up there also indicates that the screen is recording. That is why I intentionally swiped left and right, just so you know that it is recording up there. That is basically how to screen record, but this one I am doing it without sound. So this sound you're hearing, it was after doing everything that I did the voiceover. But if you want to use sound as you record the screen, there is another way you can go about it. I cannot do it now because it is the same phone I'm using to do this tutorial, so in case I do that, everything will go off. But then yes, so if you want to do that with sound, just as you saw, you swipe up, you press and hold the record button, it will show microphone off. Tap microphone off, it will turn to microphone on, and then you can go back and then tap on the record icon and it will still record for you. So that is basically how to record using your iPhone, either with sound or without sound. Now if you want to end the recording, there are basically two simple steps you can use to end the recording. One, it is either you tap on the red banner up there. Okay, you see that red banner on top of those two apps. It is either you tap on it, and when you do, a dialog box will appear with cancel and then stop. So if you want to cancel, you just do that. If you want to stop the recording, you just tap on stop and you're good to go. But then if you do not want to use that way to end the video, you just have to scroll up again and then tap on the record icon. It will automatically stop. I am unable to do that because, as I said, I am using the same phone for this tutorial, so I do not want to tap on it to end this recording. So that is basically how to screen record, and yeah, that is how to screen record using your iPhone. So it is not any daunting task. That is the simplest form I can show you today. So again, if you enjoyed my content, kindly subscribe.